Huh?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
What you gonna do?
Nothing. I ate all this.
You ate all that? You drank all that already? Yeah, you did. Mm-hmm. Oh.
Huh?
Hmm?
Nothing. Get out of here.
Are those on your rug? Oh my goodness. You gonna get it all straightened out? Can you flip it over? You don't want to flip it over?
I want this.
You like it like that? Okay. What are you gonna do with it after it's like that? What are you gonna do with it?
Trucks.
Trucks go on it? All right, let me see. Oh, there's a little driver in there. Cute. Hello, little fireman. Hello. Oh, he's waving at me, it looks like. Hi, little fireman.
Not ready.
He's not waving? Hmm. Whoa. This is his new truck he got today. He likes all kinds of trucks. Oh, you're shushing me again? That's not nice to shush mommy. What happened? Oh, it came off again. Does that keep coming off and that's frustrating? Sorry, buddy. Did you get it back on? Okay. That's good. Crazy thing. It looks like you can't tilt it up too much. Or if you tilt it up too much, is that when it comes off? Yeah. Okay. We'll figure it out. Oh, no, now the front came off? Oh, no. Crazy thing. Well, the back of your head is not too exciting. Huh? Well, it only goes a certain way, buddy. It only fits on there one way. Do you have words? Or do you just go, I think you can reach it. Can you not get off the rug?
Stop.
Hmm? Nothing. That thing just, is that toy frustrating?
Yes.
Say frustrating. Mm-hmm. Can you say your F sounds now? Can you say, I'm fine?
I'm fine.
Or you say, I'm fine. Oh, my word. Is that what we do?
Mm-hmm.
Are you mad? You can say, I'm mad.
I'm mad. Oh.
Can you say fish?
Shish.
Shish. I thought you could say fish now.
Shish.
Say fish.
Shish.
Can you say fine?
Fine.
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 I know you can do it.
I can't do all by myself.
You can't. You want mommy to help you? Okay. Okay.
So, Mom, still
broken.
Mhm.
Okay, I'll come help you, okay?